From World of Concrete 2018, the Las Vegas Convention Center, I'd like you to meet Brad Stemper, an old friend for product management at Case Construction.
Absolutely.
How are you?
Excellent,
You're
Roger.
looking well.
Thank you.
Winter hasn't been too bad on you yet.
Not too bad at all, so we've got time yet, though.
You got time. Well, I tell you, bring a couple of things to the show this year, some new exciting things and a fantastic anniversary.
Yes, exactly. So
tell us all about it.
Absolutely. So first thing I'll talk about is the N-Series backhoes actually have added a series of small changes that have really made a big difference for operators.
Okay.
So one of the main things is we've really tried to enhance productivity in a few key ways. And one of those is putting more power to the ground. So we've added or changed the torque converter, driving more power from the engine to the transmission and to the axles.
Sure.
And due to that change, it allowed us to also build in a larger front axle, a more robust front axle, increasing the size of the wheels and the tires to go ahead and take more of that torque and put it to the ground. And that productivity is really seen by operators navigating around the job site, transversing over different obstacles that they traditionally avoided, and allows them to get over, like curbs and rocks that they really need to position that machine in the right spot. So that gives them that ability, as well as the push power into piles that is really necessary for a loader backhoe and its versatility and utilization on the job site. So that's something that's changed a little bit.
Really?
We've also changed the pilot system, engaging more precision and smoothness to the operation. Better pilot control through the hand controls for the backhoe, and a recent change on the extend-a-hoe with a patented shim or adjustment pad. And that adjustment, as time goes for backhoes, the extend-a-hoe tends to wear and create slop, and you get a lot of extra movement in the bucket, right? So those changes, that adjustable pad is externally adjustable with a few simple tools. So people can go ahead and maintain that precision in the extend-a-hoe and get that longevity out of the machine, creating less wear and tear and fatigue on the actual structure.
This is something the contractor or his operator can do?
Yes, yeah, it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to go ahead and change and adjust. A few simple instructions that they need to kind of look at, make sure they're doing it in the right procedure. Yeah. But yes, they can go ahead and manage that. And then it also creates better retention of material. As that material and that slop, or I should say, the slop taken out, they can go ahead and maintain control of it and put the material right where they want it instead of losing it over the side of the bucket.
So all of these are, let me ask, results of contractor feedback?
Yes. Yeah.
Customer feedback?
One of the things we do at Case is really drive to listening to the customer and understanding their needs. So obviously everybody wants to say that, but with these little minor changes, really make an impact based on that feedback that we got, saying, why is it optional? Why can't we have that standard? Or it would really be nice to have larger front axle or a more robust front axle to go ahead and navigate around treacherous terrain.
Yeah, but just let me say from the outset here, it's not an easy deal just to change that front axle and the wheels and everything.
Exactly.
You're talking about almost a model change.
Exactly. So we understand that, you know, depending on what's above it and how it mounts in the structure, but we've got a great N-Series that we've had for a number of years now, and we didn't necessarily want to change the whole package. We wanted to enhance these specific needs that customers were looking at, and we saw some of these opportunities. So we've changed fuel economy on the machine. We've gone from an optional fuel economy package to a standard fuel economy package, building in automatic engine idle and automatic engine shutdown if it's idling too long. Engine control devices like automatic shutdown if certain systems are running out of temperature, out of spec. So we've got that functionality. We've also built in a new 10 LED lights package. So there's 10 additional LED lights that are mounted, 4 in the front, 4 in the rear, and 1 on each side, all positionable to light up the job and the tasks that you're operating on for that specific need. So there's a lot of changes that have gone into this machine.
Pretty soon it'll pour you an alcoholic beverage.
Maybe even a coffee from a Keurig or something. So,
well, let's talk a little bit about this fantastic anniversary.
Absolutely. So back in 1958, the Case wheel loader brand launched its W9 wheel loader. And so that's 60 years ago that we started producing wheel loaders.
Amazing?
Exactly. So they were built in Racine at the tractor plant in Racine, Wisconsin. And then they migrated through a couple other facilities in northern Wisconsin and Wausau, down to Terre Haute, Indiana, and now they're built in Fargo. And so for the past 60 years, we've gone through changes and iterations and series,
Absolutely.
but we're still making wheel loaders. So it's been a wonderful 60 years, and customers love our wheel loader brand and the
sure
product
do.
and the production it provides. So we're celebrating 60 years at our booth today, this week at World of Concrete. Customers and individuals can come out to our booth and get one of these limited edition, limited quantity t-shirts.
Well, that's wonderful.
They can see the machine. We've got a special decal package on the
All
machine.
right.
So I urge them to come out and see us at the case booth and
Absolutely.
check out the 60-year wheel loader that we've got.
Quite a
So,
legacy you bring to the marketplace.
Yeah.
Quite a legacy.
So
Well, I really appreciate you stopping by. You always bring a good message from Case Construction. Brad Stemper is product specialist with these folks. Certainly stop by, say hello. If you're there at the booth today, certainly you'll get yourself a nice new t-shirt representing their 60th anniversary in business on their wheel loader line. All this from World of Concrete 2018.